Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. The day has finally come. You're going to meet Patrick. So it was often requested that he's actually in a video, because until now you only were able to hear him in the background making some sports, or you heard me talking about him, but today, as requested, you're going to see him live in person. And one of the most requests was actually that he should do a pour on his own on some of my techniques. But before we go on talking about this part, here it is, my one and only, my love of my life.
Hi everyone!
Husband. That's it. He's real, he exists. So, and that's him. So, he's a bit nervous.
No.
And actually what we are going to do is I will make a direct poll, or two direct polls, which I will link down below in the video description. Which is meaning the first poll you can go vote and decide on which colors you want to go, or you want him to go for. And I will make a choice of colors within the direct poll, and you can actually decide which colors you want. You can pick as many as you want, but to make this thing work, I would suggest just make it 2 perhaps, so not more than 2 colors. And I will pick the leading colors in the end, which he's going to make the pour with. And the second poll is about the technique he's going to use. So whether it is a swipe, a flip cup, a ring pour, whatever I come up with, or he comes up with. And this poll will run for about a week, 2 weeks, we will see, until I make the final assessment which technique and colors it's going to become. You can't imagine how excited he is to make this.
Yes.
It took some convincing. But yeah, you will see actually him making a pour.
Yeah.
And if you want to get
Bye.
in touch with him, he actually is... No, come back. He actually is a nutrition coach. I will link his Instagram down below, as well as his homepage, which is in German. So unless your German is good enough to have a look at this, or if you're German, I suggest you contact him via Instagram if you need any nutritional coaching or fitness coaching. He's also a fitness coach, which you can see because he has many more muscles than I do. So, and this... Yeah, so and this was actually the purpose of this video. I hope you're glad that you finally met him. It needs some convincing to bring him back to more videos, but it's all up to you, I guess. So yeah, let's go and join the polls, and I'm really excited about the choices that you're going to send me. If you have any questions or trouble with the polls, just text me in the comment box below. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel to not miss out the result of this little video. So, as usual, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I see you in the next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.